Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. And today is the day we're about to get a run in. We're about to actually test out the Camaro and see how well I shift and everything. So my very first run out here, man, is going to be against a C7 Stingray Corvette, man. We got some of the similar mods, but nothing crazy. Both of the cars have MSD intake manifold. His not ported, mine's ported. He has a BTR 225 cam. I have the Katech Torquer cam. If you look at the specs, they are very similar. So there's like really no difference there. Both cars are gonna be running on E85. I have ported heads. He doesn't have ported heads. Throttle body, I'm not sure what it is. I wanna say he got like a 95 throttle body. I have the 103 throttle body. And then the biggest difference is gonna be between the two is, as y'all know, I'm a 6-speed manual. He got the A8 version in this 2017, and he's not trans-tuned on his. So these are some of the runs we're gonna get. We're gonna do like a 50 roll. We're gonna do a 40 roll, and I feel like we're gonna do a 60 roll. So we're gonna figure out when we discuss that. We're gonna happen at night, so I'm not really gonna have like too much of to show you his car and all that stuff, because we're going to like an undisclosed location, and then where we're meeting up at is going to be like dark as hell. So not really going to get the visual of this car. You're going to see his run, but I have like a picture like of it floating right here on the screen. And then yeah, we just go ahead and get these fun runs in. Y'all, so this is the very next day. As you can tell, different shirt outfit, man. Look, I done convert over to getting a Mustang. Nah, man, I ain't getting no Mustang. Never that. Shout out to Race Car 21 that loves Mustangs, but yeah, not getting a Mustang. But I do like the Mach 1, which is like the 1LE variant, I would say, of it. But anyways, though, getting back to the race, like that was a pretty much a good race, man. Like with me losing by a car ahead, but there were some things that I learned from that, and people was telling me, like, when I'm running in the manual, you know, probably start off in like first gear now, since I had like the drag radial, versus like me starting in second gear, which I could do second gear, but first gear would be more because I get that extra jump and all that torque, especially since I was doing like a 50 roll, and that would have showed better there versus in the second gear. So I'm gonna do that next time, but it's still not a bad race at all to me, because since I'm going against the automatic, that just shows that, okay, with the cars having similar mods, it's like it was just a car ahead, like that was all. And if he was like pulling further out, there was like traffic, so I hit the brake so he can go in front of me. But overall, that was a good run. I actually enjoyed it. Like I said, there was some things I learned from that, which is now if I'm doing 50 rolls, I would just go in the first gear, which that'll put me at like 5,500, so I can rev out to 7. Then I hurry up and shift. That'll get me that jump. And then, and just keep going from there. So I'll run him again. That'll be no problem there. But also, as I'm thinking about it, his car is lighter too. Y'all know those vets, those C7s are like 3,300 pounds curb weight, not including the driver weight. So I'll say give or take, he at like, I don't know, like 3,400, 3,500 pounds with him in the car. With me, as my car sits, my car weighs 3,500 pounds at a half a tank when I weighed it, and not including with me in the car. So the car probably is sitting at like 3,750 with me in the car. So that's a game changer right there with the power mods. But I don't feel bad at all or the outcome. I just want to see how my car do on the street. So that is that. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all drop a comment below. Let me know what y'all think, man. What y'all think about the race. Y'all think I could have did better? What I can improve on? Or y'all thought it was a good run? Me, I thought it was like a good run. So that's gonna wrap this video up, man. If y'all like this video, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.